guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art. So today I'm gonna show you how to use the blending stump properly. So the blending stump is a very convenient thing and very easy to use for the oil pastel as well. So you can make so many things with the blending stumps. It blends perfectly, but if you use it correctly. Okay, so today I'm going to show you about 3 do's and don'ts while you're using your blending stump for your oil pastel. So let's get started with that. Make sure you watch the video until the end, and make sure you watch it very carefully, because at the end of the video I'm going to ask you one question, and 3 lucky winners will get an opportunity to take a live class with me, a live workshop with me, and that's with no cost. So make sure you watch it and answer the question. So let's get started with the do's and don'ts for the blending stump on oil pastel. So I have chosen 3 color here, 3 oil pastel, pink, purple and blue. You can choose any color you want. And I have chosen, I took number 5, the blending stumps. You can take either number 4 or 3. Try to practice with the bigger blending stump in the beginning, and then you can go with the fine later on. So first what I'm gonna do, color this boxes inside. So what I'm doing here, I'm coloring diagonally. So I'm going left to right over here with purple, and then I'm going to add my pink here at the bottom. Go slow a little bit, and you don't have to overlap. Do not overlap. And then the rest I will color here with my blue. If you have a little white spots, that's okay, but make sure there is not a lot of white spots. You have enough color to blend it nicely. Okay. So I have added plenty of color. Now I'm gonna take my blending stump. So I have filled both the side. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to use your blending stump. When you're using, most of the people, they use the tip of the blending stump. Okay, so do not use the tip. We use the tip for very less area. Most of the time you're going to use the side of our blending stump. So I'll show you what will happen if I do it with the tip. So if I do it with some circular motion here, so if you do with the tip of your blending stump, you'll see a lot of marks over there. It won't blend nicely. Now I'm going to do it from the side. So from the side, look here, I'm doing very gently. See how smooth it is blending here. It's blending very nicely, evenly. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend this one and this area as well. See, we don't want to use too much pressure. We don't have to use too much pressure here. I'm gonna come to that next point. So use your blending stump from the side. Do not use it from the tip. This is the first point. The second one, I'll use the same color, but I'm using over here in a different direction. So I'm using the pink first. I'm gonna do the same thing over here as well. And this is my last color. So I have my 3 colors here. So the second tip is, when you're going to blend it, do not use too much pressure. Let me show you what happens if you use too much pressure. So I'm doing it at the tip, and then I'm using too much pressure here. to blend it. See, this is how it's happening. It's creating a lot of mark over there. A lot of mark, a lot of which we don't want it. So this is what happened if you use the blending stump and use it too much pressure on it. But if you use light pressure, see, I'm making the same movement. I can go faster, that's okay. I can go a little faster, but see, I'm using very less pressure. And look, I'm holding it not over here, I'm holding it back. So make sure you don't hold it very close. You take your time, and then see, I'm filling the gaps to the edge. This is what happens if you do it slowly and not adding too much pressure. So now we'll do the third one and the final one. So let me add the colors here. Hey guys, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe the channel. The third step is you have to clean your blending stumps in between. So you have to take a paper towel and clean it in between each and every color. So see, now my blending stump is clean. Okay, a lot of people ask me, this thing, it will go away or it will stay like that? See, this is a white thing, it won't go away. You cannot wash it. So you make sure, see, it's clean. On your paper towel, there should not be anything, any mark. Okay, now see, if I do not do cleaning in between the different colors. So I did this one here. Okay, let's do the blue one first, so I can tell you guys nicely, you can understand what I'm saying. I did this layer and now I'm doing this layer. See what is happening? The color is transferring over here. You don't want to do that. So what do? You clean it in between. So let me do the other one and show you. See how many times I'm going on top of my paper towel to make sure that's absolutely clean. So this one I'm doing the blue one first. So I'm making light circles here. And see, I'm going all over here. It's not I'm just doing blending over there. I'm blending over here also. So I have plenty of blue in the blending stump. Alright. And now what I'm going to do here, look how much color I got here. So go back and forth. Push a little hard. Make sure you're pushing it a little bit so you can clean it nicely. See, if I'm twisting it, I'm getting more color here. So now it's clean. Now I can use it over here. Now look, if I'm using over here, no color. There is no color, no blue. So now you make the circle and blend it nicely. There we go. Alrighty, so this is it. See, and make sure you, before you put it back, you clean your blending stumps, and before you use also, you clean your blending stumps. So it's very important to clean it. So today's question is, where should you hold your blending stump? So answer me, and if you answer that, you can win a free workshop with me, live workshop. It's going to be a live workshop, so 3 lucky winners will get a chance to win the live workshop with me. Let me know if you have any question regarding this video. You can just comment me. I read each and every comment, so I'll definitely get back to you soon. Also kids, if you're interested in my personal lesson, please visit my website link, and I put it in the description.